Good day mga kagulong, may magandang katanungan po tayong natanggap ngayong araw kung paano raw po kapag expired na ang ating provisional authority na renew na ito, ngunit hindi pa po nabibigay ng LTFRB ang bagong renewed na PA natin, kung safe daw po bang ipamasada sa InDrive or ibang TNC ang ating sasakyan habang iniintay ito. So yun mga kagulong, may nakita po kasi akong memorandum from LTO. Ito po yung nakikita kong maring kasagutan sa katanungan ni Kagulong. Basahin po natin ito. Validity of Provisional Authority issued by the LTFRB. Date issued June 25, 2024. A provisional authority signed by the LTFRB is an authorization to the holder of the same to ply a specific route pursuant to Section 18, Book 7, Chapter 3 of the Revised Administrative Code and Section 10 of the Ease of Doing Business Act. Said provisional authority remains valid when an application for extension of the same is filed with the LTFRB. Then ito mga gulong, may isa pa po tayong memorandum na nakita. From LTO rin po ito. Same subject, iba lang po ng issued date. Basahin din po natin ito. In order to avoid confusion or erroneous apprehensions of LTO law enforcement personnel and deputized agents with respect to the provisional authority issued by the LTFRB on franchise applications, it is hereby reiterated that the provisional authority issued by the LTFRB, while the application for Certificate of Public Convenience is pending, remains valid unless expired with no pending application for extension of the same is filed with LTFRB. So yun mga gulong, no, nakaka-nosebleed, ang lalim ng English. Pero ang pagkakaintindi ko po, correct me if I'm wrong, pwede pong ibiyahe kahit hindi po pa nakukuha yung bagong PA natin. Basta may extension po na final na sa LTFRB. Hopefully nasagot ko po ang katanungan ni Kagulong. Yung dalawang memorandum po na binasa po natin kanina, ilalagay ko po sa comment section ng video na ito para mabasa nyo rin po. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo na sumali sa ating Facebook group. Ilalagay ko po yung link sa description ng video na ito. Sali po kayo mga Kagulong.